Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This Lingala lesson is about vocabularies. The first word of today is Kaka. Kaka means only. Eza Kaka muke. It is only a bit. You can find the transcript of this lesson in description. We move on. Kokoka means to be able to. Te nakokoka te. No, I am not going to be able to. Te nakokoka te. No, I can't. We move on. Kanga, to close or to catch. Kanga ye, catch him. Kanga soso wana, catch that chicken. Kanga monoko ndako, close the door. Kanga Porte, close the door. Porte is a French word. It means door in English. Lingala is often mixed with French. Today, September 7th, is the first anniversary of Lingala Institute. In December, we'll be sending a free ebook to everyone who has circled Jonas Lusa on Google+. There's a link to my Google+ profile in description. I'll see you on Google+. Thanks a lot.